It was a dream, dream I had last night. I dream I went to the UN and set the whole nation right. I dream I called on old Castro, stood him on the floor, looked him right in the eye and said, boy, you got to go. I'm tired of your foolishness, and if you don't behave, I'm gonna grab you by your beard, give you a Georgia shave. It was a dream I had last night. I dream I went to the UN and set the whole nation right. Then I told old Khrushchev, sitting there looking bad, get that junk out of Cuba before you make me mad.